How to fix AMD error code 43 on Windows. 1. Make sure that your drivers are up to date using the recommended AMD driver updater in this video guide. Plan B. Uninstall your display driver via Device Manager and install the latest version. 2. Check if your graphics card is supported. Hint, you may Google AMD Radeon graphics card specifications. 4. Uninstall current AMD drivers and install the Radeon software, Crimson Relief Edition, version 17.2.1. 5. Uninstall drivers for your dedicated and integrated graphics. Hints and steps. 1. You need to enter BIOS. 2. Then turn off your AMD dedicated graphics. 3. Install the drivers for your integrated graphics. 4. Return on your AMD graphics in BIOS. 5. Install the driver for AMD graphics. 6. Install your graphics card drivers manually, refer to tip 4 above. Like this. 7. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter via msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command. 8. How to flash your graphics card firmware. Note, you may run the AMD /ATI add flash software. 9. Install the latest Windows updates.